Hi everyone! In this video, we'll be discussing some simple steps you can take to prevent getting the flu, based on the latest scientific research. First and foremost, the most effective way to prevent the flu is to get vaccinated. The flu vaccine can reduce the risk of getting sick with the flu by up to 60%. It's important to get vaccinated every year, as the strains of the flu virus change from year to year. Another important step you can take to prevent the flu is to practice good hygiene. This includes washing your hands frequently with soap and water, covering your mouth and nose when you cough or sneeze, and avoiding close contact with people who are sick. You can also boost your immune system by getting enough sleep, eating a healthy diet rich in fruits and vegetables, and staying physically active. If you do happen to come into contact with the flu virus, there are a few things you can do to reduce the severity of your symptoms. Taking antiviral medications as soon as possible can help to shorten the duration of the flu and reduce the severity of your symptoms. It's also important to stay hydrated and get plenty of rest to allow your body to focus on fighting off the infection. By following these simple steps, you can help to prevent getting the flu and reduce the risk of spreading it to others. Thanks for watching. We're so glad you found us. At The Curious Mind, we're all about satisfying your curiosity and sharing the latest scientific knowledge with you. If you're new to our channel, we would love it if you could take a moment to hit the subscribe button and give this video a like. Your support helps us to continue making new and exciting content for you. And don't forget to touch the bell to get notifications whenever we upload a new video. That way, you'll never miss out on the latest and greatest from The Curious Mind. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.